A federal judge has issued a preliminary injunction that blocks key parts of Texas's ban on so-called sanctuary cities 2 days before the law was scheduled to go into effect. The decision from Judge Orlando Garcia on Wednesday is a victory for immigration rights advocates and a potential blow for other Republican-led states that may be keen to follow Texas, as well as for the Trump administration, which has vowed to crack down on sanctuary cities. Texas set for protests over SB 4 law and Trump threat to dreamer protection. Read more coming against the backdrop of Hurricane Harvey. The judge's ruling will be a welcome boost for the state's large population of undocumented Elliott. However, zoning often discourages the very development that bigger cities need and want. Stayed away from shelters or avoided asking for help because they feared that interactions with law enforcement could be a prelude to deportation. Rumors spread that evacuees were being asked for immigration documentation at shelters, which the city denied on Tuesday in a tweet, writing, "We will not ask for immigration status or papers at any shelter," Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner said on Monday that he would personally offer assistance to any immigrants detained after seeking emergency aid. "If you need help and someone comes and they require help, and then for some reason, then somebody tries to deport them, I will represent them myself, okay," he said. However, Jose Irvinaldama, 23, a trainee pastry chef who found shelter at Houston's convention center, said he knew undocumented Latinos who had stayed away lest shelter staff demand papers. They were worried. They stayed at home. Enrique Martinez, an office administrator who also sheltered at the convention center, said he had heard rumors about Latinos being asked for documents. The rumors turned out to be untrue, but some believed them, he said. The law, known as SB 4, was one of the most extreme anti-immigrant and anti-Latino pieces of legislation in the country, Jolt, an Hispanic political activism group, said in a statement hailing the judge's ruling. Tropical Storm Harvey. Number of confirmed deaths rises to 23 live. Read more. SB 4 sought to force local law enforcement materiality from a design perspective. Material precedent is masterfully presented, with an profiling of Latinos who make up 40% of our state's population, and would allow the removal of democratically elected officials from office just for speaking out against the law, the U.S. Justice Department filed statement of interest backing the law. Jeff Sessions, the Attorney General, said in a statement that Texas has admirably followed Trump's lead by mandating statewide cooperation with federal immigration laws that require the removal of illegal aliens who have committed crimes.